How about the 1970 Buick Skylark Custom Convertible, fire red over white? I really like the body style of these 70 Buick Skylarks. They are good-looking cars.
Yeah.
Convertible, 47,000 actual miles. It was restored in 2013, so 12 years ago.
Yes.
Turbo hydromatic 350 with a 350 cubic inch, 2-barrel V8. Great top-down cruiser. I mean, this is a car that will get attention everywhere you go. I don't care how expensive the other cars are around it.
That is true.